Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a CPAGRIP URL file locker. So guys, without much introduction, let's just simply jump right into the business of today's video. So first of all guys, you want to make sure you do go on to CPAGRIP.com and you'll be brought to a platform such as this. And if you don't have an account on CPAGRIP, you can then go on to clicking on register right here, where you'll be brought to this page, and you just simply have to go on to filling out this form which will be shown. And in this form, you want to make sure you do focus more on the fields that are actually having this red asterisk sign. So this sign actually indicates the required field which you must fill before your account can be created. So you could actually skip out some fields like the company field, the website field, but make sure you do go on to filling out all the fields that are having this red asterisk signs. And once you do fill out those fields, you could go on to reading the terms of services right here, and then once you are done with that, you have to agree to the terms of services, all of them. Check out all this box right here, then just simply go on to clicking on register now. So your account should be created almost immediately, and you can actually do gain access to your account by coming to this section. So basically, once you're in this section right now, you want to go on to the monetization tools. So in the monetization tools, all you need to click on is the URL file locker. If you do click on the URL file locker, you can actually go on to clicking on create new URL file locker. You could read through the terms of services right here, agree to the terms of services once you are done, and just simply click on continue. So once you do click on continue, you can actually start creating your URL file locker. So if you want to create your URL file locker, just simply come right here and give it a name. So right now I just gave it a name, which is the tutorial clip. You could see right here, you just want to leave all this section and go on to the template section first. So now you want to select the type of template which you want to use for your content locker. You could see right here, this is the default template which you're actually seeing right now. You could use the human verification template, you could use the captcha template, you could use any template of your choice, the file download template, or any other template of your choice right here. There are numerous templates which you could just simply take advantage of. But if I'm using the default template right now, you want to go onto the advanced section. And in this advanced section, you could go on to selecting the number of leads that will be required for your lead to actually complete before they do have to gain access to that particular locked content which you're going to be locking in this content locker. So this right here is going to tell them the number of offers which they must complete. So if you are going to leave this on 1, meaning that they have to actually complete just 1 offer before they can gain access to the locked content. So you want to just simply go back to the general, and in the general section you could auto show offers, but I'm going to leave that as it is right here. So you want to just simply go on to clicking on this section which says button text. You could change this from begin download to something else, maybe the download now or download here. So if you do change that to something like this right here, you could see it has changed in this section. You could see the offer help text which it says complete and offer below to continue. You could go on to changing that via this section. You could also change the header text right here, and I'm just going to change that. So I'll change this right here to content is locked, and this site simply says complete an offer below to continue, or I'm just going to change that to complete an offer below to unlock the locked content. So once that is it, that has actually been changed right here. You then want to just simply go on to pasting in the link to your locked content right here in this section. Supposing you want to lock a URL file or an ebook, a link to a website or something, you just want to lock that particular stuff right here in this section. So maybe I want to just simply go on to locking the link to Google right here, which is actually google.com. I'm just going to copy the URL, which is google.com, head onto this section and just simply paste that in this particular section. And you can see right here it says the https www.google.com and /. So you're going to leave that as it is right here. You could increase the amount of offers which you want to be shown right here, and once you actually do that, if you do click on refresh and preview, you'll be able to see that once somebody click on download here, it's going to show them the amount of offers which are actually going to be inserting right here. So you could increase that or reduce that based on your preference. So once that has actually been changed, you could come right here, change the font size, or the font face and the font size, the access time. You just want to leave that as it is right here. So guys, is one more thing you could come right here to go on to changing are these comments. So if you want to change these comments, all you have to do right here is to come onto the HTML section. So if you do go onto the HTML section right here, you just want to go onto searching for this. And how do you search for this? If you're using your computer device, just simply type in Ctrl F, and that is Ctrl Find right here. So you just want to come right here and highlight this text. If I do highlight that, I'm just going to come right here and paste that in this section, and you can see that it has actually found that in this section. So once that has actually been found, I'm just going to change this title right here, or this person's username. So if I want to change that, I'm just going to change that to, maybe I want to change that to Matthew. So right there, that has actually been changed. So I'm just going to go on to changing the comment right here. So I changed this right here to this ebook is amazing. So once I want to preview that, I'm just going to come to the bottom section and just click on refresh preview, and you'll be able to see that right here. You could see the name has actually changed to Matthew, and the comment has changed to it. This ebook is amazing. You can actually go on to changing as many as you want, and once you are done guys, you could just simply come right here and click on show offer manager, where you'll be able to see the type of offers that will be shown right here. So you want to just simply select the type of offers. You could go on to removing some offers right here so that will actually be hidden, and once you are done, select the type of priority or what you do prioritize right here. I prefer prioritizing the pin submit first, then the CPA before the CPI. You could prioritize any one of your choice, and once you're done with this guys, you could also come back to this particular section, and then you could then simply click on save. And once you do click on save right now, your content locker has actually been created, your URL file locker. And right here you could see this is the URL file locker. I could click on get link, and if I do click on get link right here, I could go on to customizing this URL right here, or I could just simply copy this URL, because this URL is actually the URL to my content locker. If I do go onto a new tab and paste in that particular URL in the new tab, you will see that it's automatically going to take them to this content locker right here. So you can see right here how the content locker actually looks like. It's automatically going to bring them to this section, and once they actually do come right here and click on download here, they will be shown an offer, which if they do go on to clicking one of this offer right here, it's going to redirect them to go on to completing an offer. And if they do complete an offer right here, as you could see, this is an offer which they do have to go on to completing the survey. If they do complete the survey, they are actually going to get access to that particular locked URL. So basically guys, this is how to go on to creating a CPAGRIP URL file locker right here. So guys, you just simply get this link and start promoting the link to your content locker right now. So basically guys, that's it for now. I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, why not go on to smashing the like button, subscribing to this channel, and making sure your notification bell is turned on all. So thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.